white man came from across the sea. He brought us pain and misery. He killed our tribes, he killed our creed, he killed our game for his own needs. We fought him hard, we fought him well, out on the plains we gave him hell. But man, he came, too much for creed. Oh, will we ever be set free? Riding through dust clouds and barren ways, galloping hard on the plains, chasing the redskins back to their holes, fighting them at their own game. Murder for freedom, the stab in the back, women and children our cowards attack. Murder for freedom, the stab in the back, women and children our cowards attack. Run to the hills, run for your lives, run to the hills, run for your lives. Soldier blue in the barren waste, hunting and killing their game, raping the women and wasting the men. The only good Indians are tame, selling them whiskey and taking their gold, enslaving the young and destroying the old. Selling them whiskey and taking their gold, enslaving the young and destroying the old. Run to the hills, run for your lives, run to the hills, run for your lives, run to the hills, run for your lives, run to the hills, run for your lives. Run to the hills. And now, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome NANABOOZHOO.
BOOZHOO. BOOZHOO ni Anishinaabe. Hello, my fellow Anishinaabe. Hello, my people. Welcome back to the show. And before we go much further, I'm just going to check in with the man upstairs. BOOZHOO gitchi manadu. NANABOOZHOO nindija nakaz. Nimi gwachi wendam. Maba bimadazi win. And what I said there in English was great spirit. My name is NANABOOZHOO. This is NANABOOZHOO. And thank you. I am grateful for this life, for my life. Nimi gwachi wendam. I am grateful. And oh, I really am.
Smiling girls and rosy boys coming by my little toys. Monkeys made of gingerbread and sugar horses painted red. Richmond's children running fast, their fathers dressed in holes. Golden hair and mud of many acres on their shoes. Gazing eyes running wild past the stocks and over stiles. Kiss the window, merry child, coming by my toys. Coming by my toys. Coming by my toys. I don't remember those lyrics anymore. Doggone it.
You know, if you got your health and, you know, what else do you want? and you got your viewers, and you got your YouTube channel. I mean, everything just kind of works out. It's great. So shut up with your whining. Nah.
Lots of times in the morning, I just drink coffee and play guitar. Lots of times, all the time in the morning. So how you doing? What should I play? Something easy to get started.
Your backstage pass and black sunglasses make you look just like a queen. Even the fans that know your face from all of the magazines. But do you love me? Nah.
Well, that'll be the day when you say goodbye. That'll be the day when you make me cry. You say you wanna leave me, you know it's a lie, because that'll be the day that you die. Yeah, let's not even analyze that song. Should I break down, deconstruct the song? If you knew Peggy Sue, then you'd know why I feel blue. My Peggy Sue. I love you, girl, and I need you, Peggy Sue. I love you, Peggy Sue, with a love so rare and true. My Peggy Sue. I love you, girl, man, I need you, Peggy Sue. Peggy Sue, Peggy Sue, pretty, 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 pretty Peggy Sue, my Peggy Sue. I love you, girl, I need you, Peggy Sue. Soft option, irresistible, so kiss me, irresistible. You miss me miserably, I'm happy ecstatically.